Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday. Today is a Sunday reset video. I don't think I've ever just done like literally a Sunday reset, but today I feel like I'm literally resetting my life because we just had some, my father-in-law was in town because Roosevelt graduated yesterday. Yay. He mastered it. Insert clip.
Roosevelt, Kenneth Bowman.
Period. So shout out to my man. So right now I'm just cleaning up our room. I just made up the bed, but I have like some stuff everywhere because you gotta know, basically I live out of our guest room pretty much. So I have all my stuff in here, like all my hair stuff, my makeup in our bedroom, because since Dad was here he was using our guest room. So I'm just trying to straighten up, clean up the bathroom, clean up the kitchen. I'm gonna go do my mile at the gym today. If y'all don't know, if y'all have not been keeping up with my shorts or my Instagram or TikTok, because I've been posting in all three, go ahead and follow me on those. I'll have everything linked down below, and I'll try to leave it on the screen if I remember. But anyways, I'm trying to say, yeah, I've been running a mile a day for 30 days. So today is day 5, so gotta keep it up. Even though it's Sunday, it's still my rest day, so I'm literally only gonna do that at the gym, unless it's nice outside enough to run outside. I don't know. I gotta go to Target. Well, I really don't have to go to Target, but I do need to go to TJ Maxx to make a return. And since Target's right there, I'll probably go right there because I need to pick up 2 things to make. I make this lentil sweet potato soup today, just to kind of get a detox for the week. I've been trying to lose this weight, child. Whew, because it just picked up out of nowhere, and I cannot be having this. So, yeah. That's the plan for the day. This has been a low-key a long intro, I think. So let's just, I'll let y'all watch me clean. I got my gospel music playing. And yeah, we'll go from there. Crossing ocean, so I wouldn't drown. You've never been closer than you are right now. You are Jireh. You are enough. Yes, you are Jireh. You are enough. I will be content in every circumstance. For you are Jireh. You are enough. Forever enough. You're always enough. You're more than enough. Yes, you are. Forever enough. You're always enough. You're more than enough. I don't wanna forget how I feel right now on the mountaintop. I can see so clear what it's all about. So stay by my side when the sun goes down. Don't wanna forget how I feel right now. Jireh, you are enough. Jireh, you are enough. I will be content in every circumstance. You are Jireh. You are enough. Forever enough. You're always enough. You're more than enough. More than enough for us. Forever enough. You're more than enough. You've broken every chain. You call me by my name. I'll never be the same. You All right, y'all. So I just had to get my little praise break in. Well, I've been watching it all morning, but I'm about to go to the gym. Then I'm about to go to TJ Maxx, return these pillows. And I doubt that they have new ones in stock yet, because I just got them the other day, and they're not the right color. So, but anyways, I'm going to TJ Maxx, the gym. I'm literally running my mile. That's it. TJ Maxx, Target. I forgot it's Cinco de Mayo. And babe was like, oh, you want to eat, you know, Mexican food today, tacos and stuff. So, but let's get to the gym. So my workout is done. Y'all see the sweat. Chill. But now TJ Maxx, Target, home. All right, y'all. I'm at Target. TJ Maxx, return to clothes. Now, real quick. And hopefully Target real quick. I don't need nothing else. I need Target. Don't tell me I need anything, but I need what I need. Getting out of Target under $50, a win is a win, okay? A win is a win. But y'all, I'm out of breath because it's so windy out here. So I literally had to like press my way to my car. So, whew, on the way home now. All right, y'all. So I just got out the shower not too long ago. I am actually really lightheaded right now, but I think it's just I just need to eat something because I did go to the gym, you know, ran my little mile, but also I had this morning with some yogurt, and it's like 12:30. I went to the store. I was running errands and stuff. So it's time for me to eat. But yeah. So since Cinco de Mayo, they want some tacos. So I'm gonna do some chicken tacos for me and shrimp tacos for him. So chicken dethon right there should just be just about done. Dethon. And then let me take out some shrimp. Y'all know shrimp only take a minute to dethon. So I'm gonna make this shrimp for him. All right, so I got my chicken all seasoned and it's sitting in the little taco sauce or whatever. So chicken is done. I turn that off. And then I'm about to try to make some Mexican rice, which I've never made before, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna you know, roast the rice first, fry it up a little bit, brown it a little bit with some butter, and then once I get a little bit brown, then add some water and tomato sauce. And yeah, we're gonna see how it come out. And season it up and stuff. Tomato paste. Alright, so I just put the shrimp on. So I know that just took a little bit. Rice is almost done. Right, pretty much when the water boils out, we should be good to go. I tasted it, the flavor is good. Chicken right there. Got the guac over here. I didn't add no tomatoes just because I forgot to buy them. But, yep, guac right there. I got sour cream and cheese in the fridge. We good to go. Lime right here. Yeah. Okay, so I got my, this is the chicken tacos and some rice. I like sour cream and cheese and guac, all that. They don't like sour cream, so I just got him his shrimp tacos and his rice. Yeah, so. And I'm about to pour me a little margarita. All right, y'all, so I'm not necessarily hungry yet, but I'm about to start dinner. It's been a couple hours, it's like 3 o'clock right now. Because I'm making a soup. So I wanted to simmer. And I hate cutting sweet potatoes. They're so hard to cut, like, but these ones aren't too crazy in size, so hopefully it doesn't take me too long to cut that many. I think I'm probably gonna cut about 3 of them, maybe 4, because they're not that big. But yeah, I'm making like that soup. I think I told y'all earlier, or lentil sweet potato soup. So yeah, let's get cutting. I'm watching YouTube while I'm doing this, so yeah. So this is the soup. It is good. I already tasted it. You can see the sweet potato, the lentils, added in the kale, red tomatoes, all that good stuff. So just gonna let it simmer on low for a little bit, but it's done. But yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna just chill for the rest of the day. I got girls trip on by Roosevelt. He's almost done with his last final. He already walked and everything yesterday, but he has literally one more question on his final that he's doing right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just let him handle that. I'm gonna watch my little girl's trip and edit this vlog and get this up for y'all the same day. Okay, who is she? Getting vlogs up the same day. But yeah, see y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I know I'm looking crazy, but we chilling on this Sunday. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Drink safe, drive safe.